A feature that's new to Excel 2010 is a feature called SmartArt. For example, if I click the Insert tab in the ribbon, I have the option to click a button called SmartArt. And if I click SmartArt, I have a selection of choices regarding various diagram types. I can choose from a gallery of list diagrams, process diagrams, cycle diagrams, and so forth. I might choose hierarchy, for example, which is sort of organisation charts, and I'll choose the first of the 13 types, and OK. I can then move that SmartArt diagram to somewhere on my spreadsheet and size it as I wish. I can then type information into the various boxes . I can also click on a particular shape, and from the SmartArt Tools Design tab in the ribbon, I can add a shape, and the Add Shape button actually has a drop down. And from here I can actually add a shape below and put somebody below Megan. I can click back on the Add Shape button, and this time I'll add a shape after and put another person in. I can then also add another shape after. What I can then do is I can click on perhaps this shape Megan and control the layout of the shapes below this shape by going to the Layout button. And I might decide to choose Standard, and that's a standard layout under Megan. Or I might decide to choose Left Hanging. Or I might decide to choose both. So there's various layouts you can choose. You simply click on a shape, like Kathy, and add another shape below. I can change my mind about the particular colours using the Change Colours button, and I can go for any of the templates provided. Or I could actually click on a shape and actually format it myself using the SmartArt Tools Format button, and I can change the shape myself. But going back to the SmartArt Tools Design button, the other things you can sort of do is you can go for a style, and the styles include, for example, bird's eye scene, brick scene, powder, subtle, cartoon, all sorts of different styles. I can even change my mind about the type of organisation chart I chose. Just by using the live preview, I could see what would happen to my organisation chart if I changed my mind about the type of layout. So SmartArt is a quick way to create diagrams, including flowchart diagrams, in your spreadsheet.